and selling that in a form to drive the price through to people on your level. So
Yeah.
that's
Okay.
when you're doing exciting something to get people to price the stats, whatever it is, not issue. We're able to expand it.
Go get him. Go get him.
So all of those products that are on that site, do you hold stock or do you consign or how does that work?
Currently holding stock.
Sorry?
We're currently holding stock.
Wow, must cost you some to fund that.
We don't hold a lot.
Oh, he got it. He got it off you.